Namaskar and welcome back to IAM Food Show. Myself, Chef John. As we enter 2022, from the beginning of the month January, we have lots of festivals till end of the December. And now this week we are going to celebrate Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is it's a feast celebrated in inauguration of Saint Valentine, which is his love and affection. So this is the love and affection is for everyone. You love everyone and you want to give something nice gift or make some delicious foods. So today I'm going to show you one special, some simple recipe, delicious food that definitely if you make it during this occasion will be a good one. So I'm going to make today chicken breast steak with creamy mushroom and spinach. You can see I have some bottom mushroom rice, the fresh spinach, some chicken breast, garlic, lemon, onion, and some cream. Basically, this is the season where you get fresh spinach. So, first of all, we will marinate the chicken. I have chicken breast here. I have cut thinly sliced so that if you cut thinly sliced, so it will be easy to cook in the pan. We take some chopped garlic. So take a little bit of mustard. Squeeze some lime or lemon juice. Little bit of oil. Little bit of herbs. The herbs you can get ready-made. Salt and little bit of paprika powder. So you mix it nicely, both the side. So now my pan is hot already. So some oil. If you marinate the chicken and keep for like minimum of 30 minutes to 1 hour, will be good one. And we don't have that much of time. So by the time the oil is becoming hot, I'm going to cut the spinach also. So as I tell you, this is the season where you get a good vegetables, winter vegetables, spinach, broccoli, spring onions. So you can use, whatever vegetables you feel like to use, you can use. And this is a very best combination with mushrooms, creamy mushroom with spinach. So I'm going to cook the chicken now. You can see that it's very thinly I have sliced it. turn the chicken. Don't try to overcook, don't try to overcook it, so it will become very dry. So just, it won't take that much time, this one. And I have cut thinly sliced also. I can, see the chicken is almost done. We're going to just flip off one more time. See nice golden color. I'm going to remove the chicken. And in this oil, we're going to add the onion. So they have the oil and you have the chicken flavor. We're going to saute the spinach. Make sure the onion shouldn't be too much of brown, just a bit translucent. So you add the spinach. Add salt, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of chili flakes. So if the kids are eating, you no need to cook, but chili flakes will give you a good taste with the spinach. You can see my spinach also ready. Not going to cook more, so we'll remove it. The spinach. Now we're going to make the creamy mushroom. So mushroom will cut into quarter. Add the salt, little bit of paprika, some Italian herbs, इसमें ऐड करेंगे हम लोग फ्रेश क्रीम. फ्रेश क्रीम ऐड किया इसमें, तो इसको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. दिस इज ये जो कैन मशरूम्स है, आप फ्रेश भी ले सकते हैं, फ्रेश भी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. ले सकते हैं. क्रीमी मशरूम भी रेडी है, स्पिनच भी रेडी है। आप देख सकते हैं वेरी सिंपल, ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगता है। So I cut into quarters. If you want, you can cut into slice. Small. A little bit of oil. The onion. Some chopped garlic. Mushroom. टाइम भी नहीं लगता एंड ये आपका सिंपल सा डिश रेडी है, खाने में भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। और इफ यू हैविंग विद द ब्रेड ऑन द साइड, सो इसको करेंगे प्लेटिंग। सो ये प्लेट थोड़ा स्क्वीज करने का, तो इसका जो स्पिनच का ऑयल है वो पानी निकलता है। So put around the chicken and spinach. So आप देख सकते हैं very simple dish is ready. Grilled chicken breast, or you can call chicken steak, with sauteed spinach and creamy mushroom. So if you have some bread with this, or you can have some rice, is fine. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have any comments, please do put comments in the comment box and we'll get back to you. The youngster who have keen to become chef or manager, we have 3 campuses, one in Kolkata, Guwahati, and recently we opened in Karnataka. Fantastic and fabulous faculties. And again, as I say, maintain the protocols, wear masks, sanitize your hand, and maintain social distance. Eat healthy, stay healthy. अच्छा खाइए और अच्छा रहिए. So सबको Valentine Day के लिए I wish everyone a Valentine Day, and come back again next episode. Something simple, something easy, homemade, international dishes which you can make at home. And you can eat with your loved one in this Valentine Day occasion. So till then, take care and have a nice day. Bye bye.